Howdy ho, bitches. What day is today? Sunday. What's the number? 6. October 6th. It's been a really couple of wasted days. Nathan Airchime, K3L. Beautiful. First beer of the day. This afternoon, late. Fuck. Wasted days. Oh, okay, didn't kill me. So I'm not cooking right now, but I picked up a couple of woks, so I'm going to season them. A nice big, this is a 14-inch, and this one's a 12. So I'm going to season them up. Just light some charcoal here, and we'll figure shit out. Haven't decided what I'm going to cook yet. I did pick something up, but I don't know. So that's what I'm doing. Feel like going back to fucking bed, tell you that. Let me get shit lit. Let me get some fucking tunage going. And, well, I did give that green boy a fucking bath. Well, we got the charcoal going. Good. Another K3L. Busy day for trains. Cheers, big ears. Woo-hoo. Right on. Okay. I'm gonna cut up a couple of onions, and I'll be back. This should be ready, and we're gonna fucking rock and roll. RTFO, mofos. All right, bitches. Charcoal's good. Beer is good. Says it on my wall. Beer is good. Okay. Let that turn color. Take a few minutes. Get it all the way around. Bingo bango. Bongo bongo. Done. That's how you do it in the drunk house, bitches. Might not be the right way. My way. Bastard style. Cheers, big ears. So we'll let it go for a bit, and then we'll come back. Already given everything a good wash, like you're supposed to. This will be, with the addition of these two woks, 5 woks. Why do you need so many? I don't need so many. It's just what I got, bitches. RTFO. ZTFO. Do 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 do. Living on the edge, bitches. Living on the edge. Try to get the side done, and we'll do the bottom all the way. We gotta get over here too. Alright, we'll be back. Boring. After we come back, this will be done. We'll wash it, we'll throw some oil in there, and fry up with some onions, and we're good to go. Got some grapeseed oil that I'll be using. Nice bottle of grapeseed oil. Always use that when I'm making Asian dishes. Alright, bitches. Cheers, big ears. I know it's boring. RTFO. Drink up, buttercup. Alright, bitches. We're done. I'm gonna wash this out, oil it up, and fry some onions. The big one, I'm just gonna do the part where the handle attaches on this, then I can dump everything in the GBS. The only reason I'm using the chimney for this one, the 12-incher will fall, doesn't fit in the hole of the GBS. That's why. So let's rinse this out. Alright, what am I looking for? These pinchers. Okay, it's gone flat on. Water. Yo, there you go. And since this thing is screaming fucking hot, need a glove to hold this fucking thing. Okay, give it a good fucking scrub. A scrubberoo. Better than a fuckaroo, okay? You get the idea. Don't squirt yourself with it, because she's gonna be fucking hot, eh? Some oil in here. Oil and water. Onions in here. Just fry these bitches up. And I'll dump the charcoal into the green guy. Green bastard. The green bastard grill. Or the Green Bastard Special, the GBS. And I'll throw some more charcoal on and we'll do the other one. Cheers, big ears. And I will probably make a stir fry with this wok inside tonight. If I want to film it. If I don't want to film it, I just do it out here. It's actually half decent. It was -2 yesterday morning. And it's like, 19 right now, 18, so just under 70. Okay, RTFO. Starting. Oh, and that's the end of the music. I have to find more. Push, replay. Okay. Just going to get this part done on here, and then I'll dump everything into the Green Bastard Special, and we'll go from there. Something like that. We'll figure it out. Well, maybe this will get done all here. I don't know. We'll see. Don't need it done here. Right. Music. Beer. I need beer too. Arrivederci Roma. I'll be back. Cheers, big ears. X says it all. So the charcoal's getting low in the chimney, so I'm going to put in some lump, let that heat up, throw it in there. Got some dirty paper towels in there that need burning. And we'll get this big fucker all seasoned up. How about that? And I'll get another fucking beer. Cheers, big ears. RTFO, mofos. Woo! Alright, bitches. But might as well get 3 birds stoned at once instead of getting 2 birds stoned at once, eh? 2 walks, but also, the charcoal basket from Greg down at the Woodshed Smoke and Barbecue with the slow hand. Oh, that's getting ready to fucking go too, eh? Cheers, big ears. I'm fucking wasted. Best way to get rid of a hangover. Get high and get drunk again. Woo! Alright, bitches. Getting dark, must be around 6. These are getting shorter. There you go. Alright, I'm going to dump this charcoal in here. Put the grate on and finish seasoning that wok. RTFO MOFO. It's cooling down too. Continue to get fucking high. Because it just keeps on going. Woo! Such a Saturday night. Stay there, biatch. Alright, bitches. You know where this is going? Same as the last one. Is this enough content? I got beer. But it's Sunday tonight. Sorry. The Nathan Airchime K5 HL. Not as nice as a K3L. Hot. All right, bitches. We're good to go. Whoa. Water time. Get prepared to jump around and jump back. Eye protection. Look at it. Hot. Give her a scrubberoo. Scrubberoo, bitcheroo. Okay, that's how you do it, bitches. Look. We'll dump this water out. We'll throw some oil in here and fry up some onions. I don't know, will they? Nostradamus. Okay. about that, bitches. That's what he calls it. That's a hot wok, bitches. That's the way it should be. Too bad I couldn't, this hole wasn't smaller. I couldn't do that with the other one. Okay. We're good. How you do in the drunk house now? We're cooking fucking charcoal links. Woo! Oh, I got lump in there too. This is a bit hotter than just with the briquette. Okay, bitches. That's all for this one. The basket is burned in, the woks are burned in. You fucking Okay, bitches. I think I'll do a drunken stoned stir fry later tonight. Inside though. We'll see if it pans out. Okay, where's my beer? Cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup. RTFO, MOFO. See you in a little bit. Whoa.